What is up, you guys? I'm Hans with Tenikle, and I just want to share some awesome new stuff about our new product we just launched, Tenikle 360. So the original Tenikle held up to 15 pounds. Pretty sweet, very fun, very flexible, good little product. We took a lot of the feedback from Tenikle 2.0 and applied that to Tenikle 360 and added an entirely new feature, which I'm sure you can see here. This is why it's called the Tenikle 360, so check it out. Full 360 rotation in any direction, so you can get any angle super easily. Check this out as well. You can bend it. You can get full 360 this way and this way, which you can't do with any other product. Another awesome thing about Tenikle 360, check this out. I'm going to show you how easy it is to mount it anywhere. And you can manipulate your phone, your camera, anywhere, in any position, however you need it. Quick and easy, mounts anywhere. Now check this out. We just tried this yesterday. This is awesome. Here's Tenikle 2. Yeah. Couldn't do it with Tenikle 2. Tenikle 360. That's wild. That's pretty cool. So, not only do we get the 360 arm, pretty sweet, super strong suction, which you can see here. We did one other thing. The legs are much more rigid. Tenikle 2, you can see, good for light use. Tenikle 360. This thing's a lot stronger, you guys. We're really happy with how this came out. I think you're going to be really happy too. If you don't want to use the fourth arm attachment, this is cool. Totally removable. There you go.